Because you always, when you launch a boat, you always crack about the sheet. Okay. I'm touched that so many of you decided to turn up and see the launch of this thing that's been
labour of love.
Yeah, labour of love hanging around my neck for, I can't remember when I started it, but it was over 8 years ago. And it's today is the culmination of a boyhood dream. When I emigrated to New Zealand when I was 11 and grew up next to a lake. And everybody had a Canadian canoe. I used to borrow all my friends. I never had a Canadian canoe. So I always wanted to build one. But that's only part of today because there's so many of you turned up. It's just it's fantastic to see so many people from the village, work friends, and friends, and make sure you meet somebody new today. That's the message.
Can I just mention a few things? It was also Chris's birthday on Monday, so happy birthday for Monday. I was Rohanna's on Monday as well. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Chris and Rohanna. Happy birthday to you.
We're twins. We're twins, yeah. She's a lot shorter.
It was also my sister's and her partner's anniversary today. Yesterday.
Okay, so it's an anniversary. Anybody else got any celebrations? So, well, happy anniversary. We're pretty off the side. Karen's got to do her Queen bit and actually name both have been named after my two daughters. Combination of their names.
I think it's many local passersby will probably become very familiar with this name as we're shouting along the river. Rohdan!
So, your God bless all who sail in her speech.
My name is... I named Rohdan. God bless her and all the saints.
That's a good start. So canoe rides from now on free.
Yes, we have got life jackets and
life jackets for the kids. We've got plenty.